Hey my lovely creatures, welcome back to our day 10 workout challenge. I hope everybody's keeping safe and you're keeping warm. If you're new here, my humble self is RosesGlam. So without taking so much of our time, I am going to make it a quick one because it's freezing. I did this downstairs because I don't want any disturbance upstairs. Okay, I'm going to quickly do it. It's 5 to 10 minutes workout. So feel free to join me. Let's do it together. So let's go. I am going to do skipping rope first to warm up myself, then 1 minute running, then squat and so forth. So feel free, let's just do this. I have come to the end of today's workout challenge. I do really appreciate you all for watching me steady. I don't know what I would have done without you guys. All I can say to you all is thank you. Thank you for your massive support. Thank you for your love. I do appreciate you all. Thank you for watching once again. You know what? I will catch you up again in our next video, which is tomorrow. But don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. I love you guys. And moms out there, if you're a mom or upcoming mom, what are you waiting? Why are you procrastinating? I want you to stand up and do something. You don't need to wait for you to become something else before you know you will do something. Remember, a drops of water makes an ocean. Start today. Tomorrow, you will see what you become. Thank you so much for watching. I'm back for now. Bye.